Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe, like, share and drop a comment after watching the video. So today we are making delicious spino potato. Let's get started. I'm going to be showing you two easy methods to make spino potato at home. Just choose the one that works best for you. For the both method, you don't need any special tool. All you need is skewer and a knife. Let's start by cutting off the back of the potato. I personally prefer to cut mine before washing. That way, it's easier for me to handle and move straight to the next step. But some people like to wash first before cutting. Just do what works best for you. Alright, sweetie, this is the first method of making spino potato. After cutting off the back of the potato, I like to insert a wooden skewer straight through the center. Make sure it goes all the way in, so it's firm and doesn't break while cutting. Please make use of a thick skewer so it won't break while inserting it inside the potato. Next, I place it in a cutting board and use a sharp knife to start cutting in a spino motion. This part takes a little time, so don't rush it. As you cut, gently rotate the potato alongside the stick. The idea is to slice at an angle while turning. I'm taking my time here so you can see the full process clearly on camera. It might not be perfect the first time, but with a little practice, you will get there very soon. Once you are done cutting, take your time to gently adjust the spino using your hands. Just stretch it out a little by little. This will help to bring out the perfect spino shape. You don't need to force it or overdo it. Just be gentle and patient. The goal is to open up the layers without breaking the potato. Once it's nicely shaped, you can move on and repeat the same process for the rest of the potato. So for the second method, we are still using the same spino technique, but this time around, I'm holding the potato in my hand instead of placing it on a cutting board. The skewer is still inside, just like in the first method, but here, my hand acts as guard while I cut and load the potato. This is actually the method I personally use most of the time because it feels more easier and more comfortable for me. As I cut, I gently rotate the potato with my palms, making sure to keep the knife at an angle just like before. Take your time here too. Once you get the motion, it becomes really smooth and satisfying. It's time for the fun part, seasoning and frying. I'm just sprinkling a little salt on top of the spino potato before frying. This helps bring out the flavor, and you can also add other spice if you like. One thing I love about frying spino potato is how easy it is. You don't need to fully dip the whole potato inside the oil. You can use your air fryer or oven if you have one. Once it's golden and crispy, take it out and boom, you are done. Serve it hot with ketchup or any dipping sauce you love and just enjoy every bite of it. You can also follow me in other social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram and Facebook at Flavor by Steph. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Love you.